He sees you when you're sleeping.
Thank you.
Trying to get rid of the scan. Visual scan has been completed. Integrate clear. Exit clear. All systems are clear. All clear to search your eye.
Alright everyone, here we go. We're back. We're back on the Goliath. It's been 4 years since I've been on this ride. Wow. Now I remember this being one of the best B&M Hypers I've ever been on. Recently we've been on Mako and Candemonium. We'll see how this one holds up. Pretty exciting. Well, we are kind of high up right now. I just realized that. Freshly made Georgia scorching. Oh my God! There's so much wind! Whoa! There's so much wind in the front! I forgot about that! Whoa! That was really good. I think pre-Candemonium and Mako, I think this is still the best Hyper. And I mean, again, like, you know, it is a little bit cold outside, but this thing picks up. This is going to be a really good ride. I think it can still contest as the best Hypercoaster. It's seriously a really good ride.